everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Cookbook Kitchen. This is the home of cookbook recipes. This is the channel where we try out recipes from different cookbooks, different websites. I am your plug for anything cookbook, and today guys we have a very interesting video. The Easter holiday is here with us, and in this particular video we are going to make Easter egg cheesecake. Did you hear me guys? Easter egg cheesecake. And this is not from any of the cookbooks we've tried before, but I'm going to use a recipe in Claudia's website, Creative in My Kitchen. I'll put a link in the description below, and I've also done a video for this particular recipe that I'm going to borrow from Claudia, and then we are going to use it to make our Easter egg cheesecake, and I can call them no-bake cheesecake. The cookie base I'm going to use is the sorghum crackers from Claudia's website, and we are going to use that to make our Easter egg cheesecake, no bake Easter egg cheesecake. So guys, welcome to today's video. Let's see what we are working with. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you try out this particular recipe, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So this is what we are working with today. I have my chocolate egg, as you can see. So I'm going to divide or cut. Yeah, I'll show you. And I have some butter. I have the crushed crackers, the sorghum crackers that I was telling you guys about. This is some double cream, and this is some cream cheese. So that's it. That's what you're going to work with. Once it's done, we are going to decorate it. So let's begin. It's a very simple recipe, guys. Very simple. So for the crushed crackers, I've used 3/4 cups of the crackers. You can also use biscuit. You can also use cookies, whatever works for you. Let's put this aside because we're going to work with it later. We're going to mix the crackers with the butter. For the butter, I've used 2 tablespoons. About 2 tablespoons, yes. About 2 tablespoons because I really filled them a lot. So here it is. We are done. So we come to the next part, that is the egg. And we need some patience and some hot water and a knife. So this is my hot water in a glass, and this is my knife. I'm going to wipe it to dry, and then as you can, okay, let me dip first my knife back that I can show you guys. As you can see, the chocolate egg has some seam line. You're not guessing where you're going to cut all around. So that's where the knife is going to go through. So I wipe it again. Then you go slowly and carefully. Yes, nice. Guys, it's going in. Thank God, thank God, thank God. So let me place them on this wide plate. By the way, I bought the Easter egg I bought this chocolate Easter egg at the village market. There's a candy shop at the village market, the old wing. You will see it there. So we are going to fill our eggs with the crackers. We're not going to fill all the way. So I'm going to use a teaspoon to try and press it down. So here we are, guys. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes and let it chill a bit. Then we will be back, and at that time I'll be preparing my cheesecake filling. Look at that already. So for this particular video, I'm going to show you with one egg because of time. I don't want the video to be long, so I'm going to show you with one egg. But these other cookies, we're going to use some for decorating, but I think these others can also be used in making another egg, because yes, there are a lot. So but for the video, I'm going to use one because of time. So let it chill for 15 minutes as we make our cheesecake filling. So I'm going to start by beating my cream until I get a stiff peak. I think this is okay. So for the cream cheese, I'm going to use, I think, a quarter cup plus. Sweeten it to your tastes, and half of a quarter cup of powdered erythritol. Then I'm going to mix my cream cheese with my sweetener. For the erythritol, I usually use a spice grinder. So once I grind it, I use it as my powdered sweetener, and it works well. I've tried it out in some of the recipes that ask for icing sugar, especially in Baked to Perfection, a couple of times, and it has worked for me. I think this is okay. So let's incorporate the two. Once we mix this, 15 minutes will be over. So 15 minutes are already over, so that we can fill our eggs. Then we are going to let them stay in the fridge for 2 hours. We are back. So the chocolate now is firm again. Remember we cut it, guys, so it's firm. Even the crushed crackers are very firm. So let's fill our eggs. You already look very nice. Like I said, guys, for the sake of the video and time, I'm going to demonstrate too, because I don't want the video to be long. So I'll continue. So here it is, guys. Look at that. Okay, it looks really nice. So let's decorate it so that we can put it in the fridge again for 2 hours. So guys, you can decorate the egg however you want, but over here I have some melted chocolate. I want to drizzle it a bit on top. So these ones I bought them at Carrefour, and they're not as these ones that come with the chocolate egg. These ones are very sweet. These ones are really sweet. They have a lot of sugar. But these ones, I bought them at Carrefour, like I said, and I tasted them. They're not sweetened. I think they have a lot of cocoa. Do I say cocoa powder? But I think you understand what I'm saying. This is what I'm going to use. But I'm a bit worried because these ones are bigger than this. I don't know if you can see the difference. These ones are bigger. These ones are a bit small. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. This one's will be few. This one's there are many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 7. So the 7. This ones are. Okay. I think I'll mix them. Let's see how it's going to go. Put a pink one for color and a green one, like that. Yeah. There are people who are sweet tooth in my house, so I know they will enjoy these ones. But me, no. No. And the pink one for color. Yeah. There we go, guys. Like I said, we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours for it to set completely. Then I'll be here, of course, guys, to show you the final product. My people, 2 hours later, and we are back. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, try out this Easter egg cheesecake this Easter season. Enjoy it with your family. Of course, guys, it's simple, it's easy because it's a no bake. You can get your biscuit, your crackers, or whatever you want to use for the filling from the shop, or you can use already the cookies or the biscuit that you've already baked in your house. And it's been only 2 hours later, and everything has settled nicely. Decorate it however you want and enjoy. Of course, I have to taste before I tell you guys bye bye and happy Easter. Before I go, I have to taste. I know this, everyone will enjoy it. Wow. The taste of the cream and the way it's cold, and then as you go down to the crushed biscuit or crackers, whatever you're going to use, and then you finish with the chocolate. Not that the chocolate is a bit sweet, but wow. I thank God I didn't put a lot of sugar or a lot of sweetener in my cream cheese. Guys, try out this recipe. If I stand here, I eat till I finish. Try out this recipe and have a happy Easter. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and God bless.